do. She wants to stand up and grow tall. Oh,
Grow tall? She's already grown tall.
That's right. Uh-oh.
She told you.
That was too much, wasn't it? Yeah. You going
Has she eaten again?
she's trying to get her whole fist in her mouth.
Not yet.
Her gums must be hurt.
Well, she is teething. They lose appetite. So.
Hey, who's got you? Who's got you? Huh? Who's got you?
That old woman.
No, that's a sweet old woman, isn't it?
That old woman got me again.
Yeah.
Hey.
Huh.
I have some more.